How well do you really know Disney's Beach Club Resort? Disney's Beach Club Resort at Walt Disney World. Have you stayed there? What is great about it? Is it the location right next to Disney's EPCOT theme park? Is it the theming? The restaurants? Hi, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney and Beyond, and today we have another in our How Well Do You Really Know Disney series of videos about a Disney travel destination. Today, let's tour Disney's Beach Club Resort and test your knowledge with a fun and interactive 20-question, multiple-choice, true-false, yes-no questions quiz. Hope you have a paper and pencil or pen ready to keep track of your score. Let's go! Quiz question number 1. Mostly every Disney fan knows that Disney's Beach Club Resort is the closest Disney resort to Disney's EPCOT theme park, located a few minutes stroll outside the International Gateway entrance. Our first question asks, what is the Disney theme park that is the furthest away to drive from Disney's Beach Club Resort? Is it A, Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park, B, Disney's Hollywood Studios theme park, or C, Disney's Magic Kingdom theme park? The answer is, using driving distances from Google Maps, Disney's Animal Kingdom is 5.6 miles away from Disney's Beach Club Resort. Disney's Hollywood Studios is 4.4 miles away, and Disney's Magic Kingdom is 5.0 miles away. So the correct answer is A. Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park is the furthest away from Disney's Beach Club Resort. Quiz question number 2. Which Walt Disney World water park is the furthest away to drive from Disney's Beach Club Resort? And there are only 2, so you've got a 50-50 chance here. Is it A, Disney's Blizzard Beach, or B, Disney's Typhoon Lagoon? The answer is, once again, using driving distances from Google Maps, Disney's Blizzard Beach is 2.5 miles away from this Disney Deluxe resort, while Disney's Typhoon Lagoon is 3.1 miles away. So the correct answer is B. Disney's Typhoon Lagoon is further away. Quiz question number 3. The architect of Disney's Beach Club Resort was the firm Robert A.M. Stern Architects. What other Disney resorts was this architectural firm also the lead designer? Was it A, Disney's Yacht Club Resort, B, Disney's Boardwalk Inn, C, Disney's Hotel Cheyenne and Newport Bay Club at Disneyland Paris, or D, Disney's Ambassador Hotel at Tokyo Disney? Select all that are correct. The answer is A, B, C, and D. The firm Robert A.M. Stern designed all of these Disney's hotels and resorts. Wow, they are very involved in Disney resorts. I guess these guys have been busy. Let's continue. Quiz question number 4. Which Disney resorts at Walt Disney World include a convention center, which in theory can make them more busy compared to those resorts which do not include a convention center? Again, quiz question number 4. Which Disney resorts at Walt Disney World include a convention center? Is it A, Disney's Beach Club Resort, B, Disney's Coronado Springs Resort, C, Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, or D, Disney's Boardwalk Resort? Once again, choose all correct answers. The answer is all of them. In Disney's Beach Club Resort's case, the convention center is shared with its neighbor, Disney's Yacht Club Resort. The convention center is known as Disney's Yacht and Beach Club Convention Center. Quiz question number 5. Which table service restaurant or restaurants are located at Disney Beach Club Resort? Is it A, Cape May Cafe, B, Ale and Compass, C, Shula's Steakhouse, or D, Beaches and Cream Soda Shop? The answer is A, the popular Cape May Cafe with its character breakfast, and D, the equally popular Beaches and Cream Soda Shop and takeout window. The Ale and Compass restaurant, a favorite of Nancy and mine, is located next door at Disney's Yacht Club Resort, while Shula's Steakhouse is located at Disney's Dolphin Hotel. Quiz question number 6. If you take a swim while at Disney World, this next one is for you. How many swimming pools are at Disney's Beach Club Resort? Is it A, 2 swimming pools, B, 3 swimming pools, C, 4 pools, or D, 5 pools? The correct answer is B, 3 swimming pools. There's Stormalong Bay that is itself like a water park. Then there is Disney's Beach Club Resort pool located in the garden-facing area of Crescent Lake, the one that I spent some time at during my solo senior Disney diaries. Put a link up above so you can check out that video to see more of that particular pool if interested. Then there's the Dunes Cove pool located in Disney's Beach Club Villas area. Yes, guests staying at Disney's Beach Club Resort have access to Disney's Yacht Club Resort pool as well, shown here. But technically that pool is part of Disney's Yacht Club and is not Disney's Beach Club Resort. Quiz question number 7. If you are staying at Disney's Beach Club Resort or Villas, can you take the Skyliner to go back and forth to Disney's Hollywood Studios? Yes or no? The answer is yes. The Disney Skyliner station is located just before the International Gateway entrance to... Quiz question number 8. Disney's Beach Club has both Disney Resort or hotel accommodations as well as Disney Vacation Club accommodations. In which year was the Disney Beach Club Villas, a Disney Vacation Club building, first opened? Was it A, in 2002, B, 1990 when Disney's Beach Club Resort opened, C, 1982 when Disney's EPCOT opened, or D, in 20... The answer is A, 2002. Disney's Beach Club Villas opened in July of 2002. Quiz question number 9. Can you get hot cooked meals from the Marketplace store at Disney's Beach Club Resort? Yes or no? The answer is yes. The Marketplace store inside Disney's Beach Club has a breakfast, a lunch, and a dinner takeout menu. Our favorite is the Mickey Waffles in the morning and the roast chicken. Quiz question number 10. Which of the following are seasonal displays in the lobby of Disney's Beach Club Resort? Is it A, Christmas gingerbread carousel, B, springtime Easter eggs, C, chocolate footballs to start the college football season, or D, all of the above? The answer is Disney's Beach Club Resort has 2 seasonal displays. The first shown here is the giant chocolate Easter eggs in the spring. The second is the gingerbread carousel and related holiday items from late November through to late December. Both of these seasonal displays, of course, are the responsibility of Disney's answer is. So the correct answer is both A, Christmas gingerbread carousel, and B, springtime Easter. Wow, that was fast. We've gone through the first 10 questions and facts about Disney's Beach Club Resort. How many questions did you answer correctly? I hope you're keeping score. If you are enjoying this new way to learn about Disney's Beach Club Resort, please do click the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to our Disney-related travel channel for adults and seniors. Let's continue now with the second half of our How Well Do You Really Know Disney's Beach Club Resort? Quick question number 11. Which of the following Disney Deluxe resorts at Walt Disney World contain both hotel and DVC villa accommodations? Is it A, Disney's Wilderness Lodge, B, Disney's Boardwalk Resort, C, Disney's Beach Club Resort, or D, Disney's Yacht Club Resort? Select all the correct answers. The answer is A, Disney's Wilderness Lodge, which includes both Disney's Copper Creek and Disney's Boulder Ridge Villas, 2 separate Disney Vacation Club resorts, and B, Disney's Boardwalk Resort, and C, Disney's Beach Club Resort. Disney's Yacht Club does not have a DVC accommodation. Quiz question number 12. Let's talk about the relative cost to stay at this Disney Deluxe resort. Since cash stays pricing changes all the time, the easiest way is to compare this resort to others is by using the number of Disney Vacation Club points required for a stay. Which DVC resort at Walt Disney World costs the most amount of DVC points for a 1-bedroom unit for a week in the month of September? again, which DVC resort at Walt Disney World costs the greatest number of DVC points for a one-bedroom unit for a week in the month of September? Is it A, Disney's Boardwalk, B, Disney's Copper Creek, C, Disney's Beach Club, or D, Disney's Old Key West? Well, here's the answer. Disney's Beach Club villas cost 192 points, which is the most costly. So the correct answer would be C. To stay at Disney's Boardwalk for the same week in September of 2026, it would take 149 points for a resort view or 188 points for a boardwalk or pool view. For Disney's Copper Creek, it would take 185 DVC points. For Disney's Beach Club, it would take, as mentioned, 192 points. And for Disney's Old Key West, it would take 150 bedroom unit. Quiz question number 13. What about a different time of the year? Which DVC resort would cost the most number of DVC points for the same one-bedroom unit during Thanksgiving week? And again, would it be A, Disney's Boardwalk, B, Disney's Copper Creek, C, Disney's Beach Club, or D, Disney's Old Key West? Here, the answer is different. To stay at Disney's Boardwalk during Thanksgiving week in 2026, it would take 227 points for a resort view or 281 points for a boardwalk pool view. For Disney's Copper Creek, it would take 271 DVC points. For Disney's Beach Club, it would take only 269 points. And for Disney's Old Key West, it would take only 227 points. So, Disney's Copper Creek, not Disney's Beach Club Resort, would be the most expensive for a one-bedroom DVC unit during Thanksgiving week in 20. Quiz question number 14, and the last one on this topic. If we change to a Disney Vacation Club studio unit, one more time, which DVC resort would cost the greatest number of points during the last week of May in 2026? Is it, once again, A, Disney's Boardwalk, B, Disney's Copper Creek, C, Disney's Beach Club, or D, Disney's Old Key West? The answer is, to stay at Disney's Boardwalk during the last week of May 2026, it would take 180 points for a resort view unit or 234 points for a boardwalk pool view unit. For Disney's Copper Creek, it would take 237 DVC points. For Disney's Beach Club, it would take 227 points. And for Disney's Old Key West, it would take only 181 points. So, it would cost the most number of Disney Vacation Club points to stay in a studio unit the last week of May 2026 at Disney's Copper Creek. So the correct answer is B. The moral of this story is that no one single Disney resort at Walt Disney World will always be the most or the least expensive for your stay. To compare the 4 Disney resorts closest to Magic Kingdom, you can click on this link above and view the comparison from an adult and senior's perspective. Quiz question number 15. Can guests staying at Disney's Beach Club Resort see the nightly fireworks from EPCOT? Yes or no? The answer is yes. Certain areas of the resort, such as the marina, the area around Crescent Lake, and on top of the bridge between Disney's Beach Club and Disney Boardwalk resorts, provide partial views of the EPCOT Disney's Beach Club. Quiz question number 16. Can guests staying at Disney's Beach Club Resort see the nightly fireworks from Disney's Magic Kingdom? Yes. Generally, answer is generally no. You can a little from DVC and hotel top floors at Disney's Boardwalk Resort, but not from Disney's Beach Club Resort. Quiz question number 17. Is there a lounge at Disney's Beach Club Resort? Yes or no? The answer is yes. The lounge is called Martha's Vineyard. Quiz question number 18. The pier where the Friendship boats dock at Disney's Beach Club Resort has a lighthouse. Can guests go inside the lighthouse? Yes. The lighthouse is not. The answer is no. The lighthouse is only decorative. Quiz question number 19. Does Stormalong Bay really have a lazy river? The answer is yes. And Quiz question number 20. Speaking of water fun, which Disney resort at Walt Disney World has the longest water slide? Again, the longest water slide. Is it A, Disney's Beach Club Resort, B, Disney's Boardwalk Resort, C, Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, or D, Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort? The answer is A, Disney's Beach Club Resort, which has the 230-foot-long shipwreck water slide at Stormalong Bay. The Keister Coaster at Disney's Boardwalk Resort is 200 feet long. The water slide at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa is 181 feet long, and the 146-long water slide is at Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort. And are we done? How much did you learn about Disney's Beach Club Resort? There is so much we might have to do another resort tour quiz of this beautiful Disney Deluxe resort just outside EPCOT. How many questions did you answer correctly? Let us know in the comments. Here is a video touring the one-bedroom unit at Disney's Beach Club Villas, Disney Vacation Club, for you to watch right now, or this other Disney travel-related video for adults and seniors. Please do like this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your Disney-loving friends to see how well they do. Thanks so much for watching and playing along. We hope you have a magical day.